How to personalise Copilot Chat. So I'm logged into my Microsoft account via a web browser, and I log in with office.com, but there's other URLs that you can use. I'm going to list those in the description. And I have a paid Copilot license. However, you can do the same thing with the Copilot Chat license that comes with any 365 business account. So this is paid version and the version that comes with 365 business account. So in Copilot, we can customize it and personalize it so that we get better results. So if we go to the top right-hand corner, and we have three little dots here for more. And if we click on that, we have a little drop-down menu and we want to go to settings. So we click on settings and the personalization option will open up. So we have custom instructions. And under the custom instructions, we can add content here to help Copilot help us to get better results. So let's have a look at some options that we can personalize to help us get those better results. So firstly, we have a response style. So for example, Copilot will always respond with US English. And as you can probably tell from my accent, I am from the UK. So I don't want American spelling in my responses, okay? So I can ask Copilot to always use British English so that I don't have to keep editing the spelling, so that the spelling is going to match the region that I'm working in. I can also include the tone for my communication. So for example, I want a friendly tone, but I want it to be professional, but I also want to come across as being approachable in any communication that I get Copilot to help me with. Then we've got how Copilot addresses me. My name's Fiona, so I can ask it to always respond by saying, good question, Fiona, or what have you. So when it comes back to me, it will always use my name, and that's personalised. Next, we have user preferences. So how do I want Copilot to interact with me? What are my preferences from that perspective? So I'm an IT trainer, and I specialise in Microsoft 365 training for corporate organisations. So I want Copilot to always remember that when it's coming back to me with responses. I prefer concise, professional messages and a warm human touch. So I'm giving it specific instructions there. I also want an emphasis on clarity and accuracy. So I want clear, precise and error-free responses so that there's no ambiguity. And next then, I wanted to prioritise certain tasks and topics for me. So for a key task focus area, I want Copilot to prioritise drafting emails, document editing and business communications that are going to help boost productivity. Languages, I've already mentioned that. I want to avoid American English spelling because I want consistency with British English. And also formal tone. I want it to maintain a formal tone and avoid overly casual language. So those are the type of things that I can put into Copilot to get better results. Okay, so here are my instructions for personalisation. Always use British English spelling and grammar. Maintain a friendly but formal tone in all communications. Address me as Fiona in responses. I prefer concise professional communication with a touch of warmth. I often draft emails and business correspondence. I value clarity and accuracy in written content. So now I can switch the custom instructions on and save. Okay, that's done. Now I can close that window down. And now when I go to chat, and let's use a prompt that I did earlier, and we'll send that prompt. We can see that it's already put in my name, certainly Fiona. And it's also with the word organisation, it's used the British English because it has an S there instead of a Z. So that's a great way to personalise Copilot so that you get better results. Thank you very much for watching this video. Do please subscribe to my channel for more tips on Copilot and PowerPoint. And if you would like help training your organisation to start using Copilot and get the best out of it, then reach out and let's have a chat. Thank you very much.